time doing this. I put it up once already and YouTube took it down. And this is the other video from Texas of that same night. Sky is crying. I almost think that's a soundbite they would use in a movie for a dragon. It's true. That's the tell-all one right there. We have micro resets. That's what this is. We have micro and macro. These are micro resets. They all take place prior to the macro, the big one. And like I said, this is just basically our magnetic frequency there just flipping around, going crazy. And in the process of relieving pressure. Now they say the top of the magnetosphere is what, 31 miles up, 33 miles up, something like that. So think about how loud that is up higher. Just amazing. Alright folks, just wanted to share it since YouTube took it down. Take care.